Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Alex's Garden. Today I want to show you how simple and easy it is to propagate lavender from cuttings. You can do it even in the fall, in October, in November. Let's propagate lavender together. Are you ready? Let's go! Follow me and you will have young lavender plants already in the spring. Step number 1. How to cut lavender cuttings. I use a sharp knife or pruning shears. Lavender requires a short pruning in the fall to keep the stems from turning into trees. If you do not do pruning of lavender, next year these bushes of this plant will look bad. The flower will also suffer. Therefore, it is necessary to prune lavender. It's very important. I cut lavender after the first bloom in summer and after the second bloom in the fall. You need to cut the lavender about an inch up from the point where the woody stem ends. This is where the young stems will start growing again. After pruning, they will make the bush beautiful. Step number 2. Now I will prepare the lavender cutting for propagation. You need to cut the lower part of the cuttings. Make a cut at an angle of 45 degrees. You also need to clean the bottom of the cutting from the lavender leaves. Step number 3. This is the easiest method. You can grow lavender cuttings near their mother bushes. I use ordinary soil around old lavender bushes. This is a great place and is where I can root lavender cuttings in the fall without rooting hormone. So, I have a lot of cutting to propagate lavender. I plant lavender cuttings about 2 inches into the soil. That's plenty. The soil is a little moist. That's good. And finally, step number 4. After planting the cuttings, be sure to water the planting site with warm water. In the fall, temperatures in my winter hardiness zone 5B are favorable for rooting lavender cuttings. I will see young roots on the lavender cuttings in about 14 days. If frosts are expected, soil mulching can be used. The mulch protects the lavender cuttings. In the spring, I will have new, young lavender bushes. They will grow in ordinary soil next to the old bushes. I hope you enjoyed this simple method of propagating lavender. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support very much. If you like what you see in this video, click on like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!